You've learned how to identify wetlands. You've demonstrated competency in vegetation, soils, and hydrology. But many projects don't stop at the wetland boundary. They continue into streams, aquatic resources, and the documentation standards required for federal review. The Federal Aquatic Delineation Professional Credential, or FADP, is the final step in the Swamp School's Aquatic Delineation pathway. Designed for professionals who have already completed foundational wetland delineation and certified wetland delineator, FADP expands your expertise beyond wetlands into the broader scope of aquatic delineation. As projects become more complex, so do the expectations. Clients, agencies, and reviewers need documentation that is consistent, defensible, and supported by sound professional judgment. This credential focuses not only on the methods environmental professionals rely on, but ones that can withstand technical review. FADP builds on the knowledge you already have. It's designed for lead delineators, project managers, QA/QC reviewers, environmental consultants, engineers, and regulatory professionals whose work extends beyond wetlands into streams and aquatic resources. If you're responsible for producing or reviewing federal-facing delineation reports, this program provides the advanced specialization to support that responsibility. Upon successful completion of the program, participants will be able to confidently evaluate aquatic resources beyond wetlands by applying integrated delineation methods, documenting ordinary high water mark indicators, assessing streamflow duration, incorporating precipitation context, interpreting advanced hydric soil conditions, and preparing clear, defensible documentation that supports consistent technical decisions across projects, teams, and regulatory review. You've built the foundation. Now expand your expertise. Complete your aquatic delineation pathway with the Federal Aquatic Delineation Professional designation. Enroll today.